Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, I will give you a little introduction about the tripping coil and closing coil. We have been listening this term, so let us explain you briefly before proceeding further. Okay, circuit breaker, tripping or closing coil, what it is and how you can visualize now when you are studying the drawing. Tripping coil is a solenoid coil which is connected to a sensitive circuit that designed to disconnect power line. Okay, so more simpler definition. Closing coil is one that connected to circuit that ensures power conditions are normal. This coil acts to establish broken circuit. So this is the textbook definition. In simple way I can explain you. Circuit breaker is a mechanical device and there is a spring also in this mechanism. Just understand that spring is stretched fully and it is supported by a hinge, by a mechanical part that is holding this spring. When I hit this part with a hammer, this hinge is removed and spring is released and it will open the breaker with the spring pressure that was holding. So I have to hammer it. So the solenoid is acting like electrical hammer. It is hammering the mechanism and it is releasing the circuit breaker to close or to open. So this is somehow tripping coil means. So this is the picture of tripping coil, and basically it's a solenoid and there is a small mechanical plunger, you can say, a part that will hit the mechanism and it will release the breaker, either it will to open position or a closed position. So these coils are, just for your knowledge, are for short duty. It means if you give, they are not designed for continuous DC supply. If continuous DC is connected to these coils, the coil will result in burn. So we have to cut DC fast. Normally the pulse duration that we are using in the protection circuitry is 120 millisecond pulse duration to operate this closing coil or tripping coil. But if you give it for more seconds, it will easily burn. So it's drawing a huge current, not designed for continuous duty or heavy duty. These are for short time. So I will tell you what protection in later lectures we are using to protect this coil. So thank you very much.